Tutorial 4 Question 5 Differential Equations. The population of Bangladesh was estimated to be 105 million in 1995. In 2010 it was 148 million. If the population continues growing at a constant relative growth rate and there is 144,000 kilometers of land in the country, in what year will there be 10 meters of land per person? We are given the formula for relative growth rate as well as the formula for the average relative growth rate, where P is the initial population. We know that dP over dt is inversely proportional to P. From the given information, we know that dP over dt is equal to Kp. We then have to cross-multiply this equation and integrate it. After cross-multiplication, we get 1 over P multiplied by dP is equal to K dt. We then integrate both sides, resulting in us getting ln P is equal to Kt plus C. In order to get P on its own, we have to eliminate the natural log. Therefore, P is equal to e to the power Kt plus C. After further expansion, we get P is equal to ae to the power Kt, where a is a constant. Using the formula calculated above, we can calculate the value of a, which is the constant. Pt would obviously be 105 million, since that is the initial population, resulting in us getting an answer of a is equal to 105 times 10 to the power 6, also 105 million. The information given to us was for the years 1995 and 2010. The time between these 2 years is 15 years. Therefore, our value for t is now 15. In 2010, the new population was also 148 million. Therefore, the new pt value is 148 times 10 to the power 6. Once we substitute these values into the formula we calculated earlier, we can then calculate the value for k. There, getting k is equal to 0.0229. We are also told that there's 144,000 kilometers of land in the country. But the question wants to know, in what year will there be only 10 meters available to each person? So in order to get an answer, in order to work towards that answer, we take the 144,000 kilometers in meters cubed divided by 10 meters cubed to get the answer of 144 times 10 to the power 10. We then use this value and substitute that back into the original equation in the place of pt. We then have pt is equal to 105 times 10 to the power 5 multiplied by 1.023 to the power t. After substituting the correct values into the equation, we can then calculate t is equal to 201.9. Since the initial t in the year 1995 was 0, the year at which there will only be 10 meters of land per person would then be the last year which was given to us, which was 2010, plus the number of years that it would take in order for there to be only 10 meters of land available per person, which is 214.9. If we add these two, we then get an answer of 2,224.9, which means that this would happen in the year 2225. Thank you.